Have you been wondering how people play with highest FPS, ultra graphics, best GPU, best PC, everything best? Yes, you've landed the perfect video. We have built a gaming rig for less than 1.5 lakhs in this video. We'll be showing you everything in detail. Don't assume the entire PC is for 1.5 lakhs. Make sure you invest on the right monitor or else you're putting your cash into trash.
He is the first authorized premier partner for AMD in Bangalore.
Wait, before we even start building our setup, I would like to say you why we went to such a high-end PC. You'll also been wondering how people play with high FPS, ultra graphics, RTX on, and also maybe streaming at the highest FPS. The reason is they have the best CPU and a GPU. In this case, we're having Ryzen 9 3900X. So alongside the best CPU, we also got the best GPU, that is the RTX 2070 Super. So we're done shopping, now is the time to unbox and start building our PC. Let's unbox the CPU first. So this is the Ryzen 3900X. Be careful with the processor pins. This is a stock fan who uses it. And here's the motherboard X570 Plus. It's a tough gaming edition. Best compatibility with 3900X. So this is our system cooler Neptune 240. I haven't made a detailed build or an unboxed video here, so we're making a separate video on this. Two Vengeance RAM sticks, each of 16 GB and 3000 MHz of speed. An RGB gaming keyboard, it's Corsair K55. So this is the beast that we're gonna unleash. It's 2070 RTX NVIDIA GeForce graphics card. Let's start building. Make sure you don't break your CPU pins when you insert it on a motherboard. Our RAM space is 32 GB. We can successfully handle 2 Chrome tabs. We're simultaneously attaching our SMPS, motherboard, SSD and HDD to our CPU cabinet. Listen to this procedure carefully.
This arrow represents positive. Right, for proof, we have HDD plus and negative. There's an arrow for the plus side. That's the same for all. Now you just have to follow the marking that is there on the motherboard or check the manual.
So we're done connecting power supply pins to the motherboard. We are now attaching our beast to the motherboard. It's the best part. We are now fixing the cooler to our system, and this is the light driver. So this is the last time we'll be seeing our core of the CPU, so goodbye Ryzen. So after all assembly is done, we've connected system to our monitor and we're gonna power up the system. So this is how it lit up. This is insanely awesome to see in the dark. And one thing, there was no display on the monitor. So we kept detaching and attaching for a couple of times all the equipments like the RAM, GPU and the CMOS. So finally, one last time when we did it, it worked. That's the motherboard display without the OS. Thanks for watching. I'm Surdeep Devanathan from Zenegar's Tech Hub.